Living the hustle, the grind, the constant flow of information in ways we've never seen before is wearing us out, literally. These societal pressures are depleting our endocannabinoid system, leaving millions of us drained, achy, and anxious.
You have CB1 and CB2 receptors all over your body. It's really a widespread neuromodulatory system, and that plays very important roles in our endocrine, our brain tissues, our nervous systems, our reproductive systems. In the digital age, there's so much data, so much information, so much social media, so much news, so many outlets, and we're always connected. That's what's draining our endocannabinoid system. We haven't evolved enough to process this kind of information at the speed that we are.
The medical community reports that complaints of fatigue, stress, anxiety, among other conditions, are on the rise, and that patients are actively seeking more natural treatments to reverse these symptoms. At the top of the list are CBD products. Extracted from hemp, CBD has quickly become a favorite among consumers because the science behind this compound shows the promise of relief from the things that ail us.
What we are doing is we are harnessing the immune system of the hemp plant, which has all of these cannabinoids, the most prevalent and well-known one being the CBD. And so the CBD, along with the other cannabinoids and terpenes and alkaloids, so the whole lot of other very important special ingredients in there, are replenishing our endocannabinoid system. And there are ongoing studies right now, and there have been many, that are showing that this helps with Parkinson's, cancer, anxiety, pain. Fundamentally, CBD is called the greatest anti-inflammatory that exists right now. And most people may not realize it, but about 80% of the illnesses are due and directly related to inflammation. It provides amazing pharmacological, medicinal value, but without funny side effects. It doesn't get you high. So it's really very different.
I tell people when they ask me, why do I need CBD or cannabinoids in my life? And it's the same thing of why do you take vitamin C, right? Your body's vitamin C deficient. And we take CBD to replenish these endocannabinoid receptors, these CB1 and CB2 receptors. It's not masking symptoms or issues. It's helping our bodies function better. If you look to the future, these lesser known cannabinoids, the CBG, CBN, CBC, CBL, and all of these new cannabinoids that are coming out that we're able to research and crossbreed and bring to market, I think those are going to be the real heroes of the future.
EcoGen Labs is the largest vertically integrated manufacturer and supplier of hemp-derived ingredients in the U.S. Here, the team is intimately involved in every step of their proprietary process, from the moment the seeds are planted all the way through to formulation. This is what sets EcoGen apart from the rest.
We've taken the extra steps, the extra precautions to make sure that we're giving a product to the consumer that is safe, it's reliable, it's consistent. We've expanded our farms and we've produced our own seeds and genetics and farming specifically for that reason, to not have to worry about where our product is coming or what was sprayed on it or what was used in the soil to grow it. We build all of our own equipment. We have a large manufacturing facility where we build out our entire product line of equipment that's used to make our CBD products as well. We know exactly what temperature everything's being distilled at. We know exactly what solvents are being used, how they're being remediated, how the pesticides are being remediated. We have full traceability from start to end.
We have developed proprietary genetics, proprietary equipment, proprietary processes to produce special formulations. So for example, water soluble is actually nano encapsulation. When somebody says, hey, does EcoGen Labs do water soluble? I say, what nanometer size do you need? Because we're able to literally get down to specific nanometers for different applications. We have an enormous bulk business of the ingredients. In addition, we are large-scale finished product, white label manufacturers. So we encompass that entire universe of specialty hemp-derived ingredients.
We want to set the standard. We want the FDA to come and look at our platform as a means to regulate the rest of the industry to fit under it. So we would like to pioneer the space and really become the leaders in the industry and take our business and our platform across the country.
EcoGen, grow with the best.